For this assignment, I selected Google Cloud Platform or GCP free tier as my cloud computing platform. GCP is a cloud platform developed by Google that offers a wide range of services including computing, storage, networking, and AI. This service allows users to develop and manage cloud applications efficiently. One of the key advantages of GCP is scalability and flexibility, where resources can be adjusted according to user requirements. In this assignment, I mainly use GCP to create and manage cloud services such as a virtual machine and cloud storage. Google was founded in 1998 and it is headquartered in the United States. It is one of the world's leading technology companies, providing various internet and cloud computing services. Besides cloud computing through Google Cloud Platform, Google is also actively involved in AI, machine learning, data analysis, and other digital services. To support this service, Google operates data centers around the world, which help ensure high performance, durability, and availability for its cloud customers. Google Cloud Platform provides service under three main cloud service models, which is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. The first model is Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS. Examples include compute engine and cloud storage. Under this model, users are responsible for managing the operating system application and configuration. The second model is Platform as a Service or PaaS. Examples include app engine and cloud function. This service allows developers to deploy application without managing the underlying infrastructure. The third model is Software as a Service or SaaS. Examples include Google Workspace, Gmail, and Google Drive. These are ready-to-use applications that can be accessed directly through the internet without any installation or infrastructure management. For this assignment, the service model I mainly used was IaaS because I created and managed a virtual machine using Google Computer Engine. The main objective of this assignment is to gain practical experience with cloud computing using Google Cloud Platform. Throughout this assignment, I created a GCP account, deployed a virtual machine, accessed it through SSH, created cloud storage, upload file, and monitor system performance using the dashboard. By completing this task, I was able to better understand cloud service model and how cloud technology are used in practice. Now I will demo my cloud computing assessment using Google Cloud Platform. First, I log into my Google Cloud account. This is my main dashboard where all cloud services are managed in one place. Next, I will show my virtual machine created by Compute Engine. This virtual machine is like a real computer but run in the cloud. In here, I have created a VM and name is Syntium VM. It is running Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and we're using an E2 micro instance type. Okay, here we can also see that the starter is running, which means the server is active and working normally. This VM can be accessed remotely through the internet. Next, I will access the virtual machine using the SSH. SSH allows me to control the server through a browser terminal. After connecting successfully, I can run the Linux command. Very successful to connect the Linux, and we can try to type the pwd and we tap the enter. It will show the current directory, and we can also try to type the DAT, and it will show the current system type. And last, we try to key UNAME -A. Okay, it will show our system information. This provides that I can fully control the virtual machine remotely. Okay, now I will show the monitoring dashboard. We click this one and we can click to view monitoring. Okay, here we can see the CPU utilization and system performance of the virtual machine. The small fluctuation in the graph are caused by breakdown system process and Google Cloud Health Check. SIM, I am using a low-cost instance which is E2 micro. Even small activity can be seen clearly in the graph. This helps us to monitor system performance in real time. Okay, next I will demonstrate cloud storage. We can click the navigation menu and we find the cloud storage and we can create the bucket. Okay, now in here we can see I created a storage bucket to store the file in the cloud. A bucket is like a folder in the cloud where we can store image, document and data. Okay, when we click this, and here I have uploaded a file into the bucket. Once uploaded, the file can be accessed from anywhere through the internet. This is useful because cloud storage provides easy sharing and data backup. For example, we can create the authenticate URL such as this storage cloud Google.com and we create, and we can access the file content through the internet like this. Next, I will demo the flexibility of cloud computing. Let me start the computing. I can stop and start the virtual machine anytime depending on my need. Now, I will stop the virtual machine and we can click here and click the stop. And we click the stop again. Okay, let me refuse again. Okay. Okay. As we can see, the starter already changed to the stop, which means the server is not running anymore. Then I can start it again and the virtual machine will return to the running state. Now I click okay. After I refresh again, here already have display the status and I can start it again and the virtual machines will return to the running state. Okay. Okay, we reload again. This shows that cloud resources are flexible and cost efficient. In conclusion, I have gained practical experience using Google Cloud Platform. I learned how to deploy a virtual machine, access it using SSH, use cloud storage, and monitor system performance. Through this project, I also improved my understanding of cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, as well as basic Linux skills. Overall, Google Cloud provides a scalable, flexible, and durable environment for cloud computing.